If you're a car enthusiast, then you need to hear this. Electric cars have some shocking drawbacks you didn't know about. 1. Too much money in your pocket. Electric cars are maintenance-free, so you'll have extra cash lying around. Time to splurge like a king. 2. No more visits to the mechanic's sister. Regular cars mean mechanic visits, but electric cars? Say goodbye to love life opportunities. 3. No gasoline scent to boost your mood. Love the smell of gasoline? Well, with electric cars, it's just air conditioning. Mood boost? Gone. 4. Goodbye speed thrills. At top speed, even a beetle might flash its lights at you. All the safety features mean you'll live to a ripe old age, grey hair and all. 5. Say goodbye to turbo sounds. Turbo fans, it's over. Electric cars are so silent you might need some classic tunes to fill the void. The sacrifice. 6. More quality time listening to your wife. In a super quiet car, you'll hear the fan and your spouse's voice. Mint green, fern green, lemon green. Bet you didn't know those were colours. And that's a wrap on the downsides of going electric. Still ready to buy one? Props to you. Join our Facebook group for more insights, tips and advice. Subscribe for more electric car content.